Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can dispute a transaction on your Macquarie's credit card. Now, so to dispute a transaction on your Macquarie's credit card, you have to go to this link that is macquarie.com.au/help professional fraud dispute. You'll be taken to this field where you can see the instructions on how you can settle the dispute. Now, first of all, to raise a dispute, you'll need to complete a form, return it to the branch by the details shown on the form. And depending on the situation, the process to raise a dispute may differ slightly. Now, you should refer to this table right over here, and dispute may differ slightly. Now, you also need to read the steps and raise dispute below to ensure you're eligible for a dispute prior to submitting the relevant form. Likewise, to raise a dispute, you need to contact the merchant directly to resolve the dispute. Many dispute can be resolved with the merchant directly without having to lodge a claim. Likewise, you could also check whether the transaction was made by a joint account holder or is appeared with a merchant name that is different to a trading contact. It also has a different transaction date due to a delay in processing. Now, likewise, it might have a different transaction date due to a delay in a processing of a transaction, or you've simply changed your mind, all of that. And you can see all the information regarding a transaction dispute on the following page. You could go and read all of these and you should be able to fix the issue. So that is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.